welcome back, guys. I took everyone on the live to an adventure to my spot, which I've been trying to get for weeks. It's available. We were originally up Punt Road. We've moved down here up along Upper Tambo Rd, so hopefully we smash it. There is seen movement in the water, but I'm hoping we catch something good. Stay tuned. Ooh, this is the type of fishing I like going on here, crackers. Alright. First brim for the night. Look at that. How's that? First one. I wasn't sure if I was on, but oh yeah, this one's getting bigger. Oh yeah, this one's looking better. Well, look at that, guys. Second one, and he's taken the hook right in his gob. This is my spot. It's gonna pay out. Look at that. Look at that. Third one for the night. Oh, he felt a bit bigger, but no, denied. But he took it pretty good. There we go. Nicely hooked. Oh, this is my last cast, and I've hooked up again. How's that, guys? Another brim. My live stream has ended. I've run out of battery charge on my phone. Just as it ended, I hooked up on this. So sorry, guys, that are watching live, but I think this is the fourth or fifth for the night. Nicely hooked. Nice local black brim from East Gippsland, caught from the Tambo River. Nowhere near legal size, but it's fun catching these little bad boys. Well, hold it. I've got my light on. That's interfering. Well, guys, I appreciate yous from watching this vlog. Stay tuned for another adventure. Remember to like, subscribe, share, click on that notification bell, and so you know when I'm on next. Remember, I love yous. I'm going to miss you. You're all legends. Peace. I'm out. Tight line, guys. Woo!